is the state of war. Assembly election dates in 5 states being announced. The single biggest round of assembly elections outside of the general elections. And over the next 1 hour, we will have some of the key players in these elections joining us on the news track.
Long hot election summer begins. 2021 states with democracy out. 5 battlefields cleared for battle. Single phase South vote on April 6th. 8 phase polling in war for Bengal. 2021's most awaited election dates. State of war begins. Top focus on news track.
Sunday, May the 2nd is D-Day, when counting will take place for the elections in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Kerala and Puducherry. In West Bengal this time it will be a 8-round poll, whereas in Tamil Nadu, in Kerala it will be in single phases, and in Assam in 3 phases. Here are the key highlights of the press conference, the last press conference of Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora, after which he retires. And also remember that over the next 45 minutes, once this first report is over, we will hear from some of the key movers and shakers, players in these 5 elections, faces you will not see on any other news network. Here is the state of war.
The long, hot election summer begins. India braces for the peak summer vote. 2021's most awaited election dates are out. The Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora announced the dates for elections to assemblies in West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry, triggering the searing month-long election battle. But all eyes are set on the battleground of Bengal, which will witness an 8-round electoral contest. The 8-phase polling will take place between March 27th and the 29th of April, with the BJP going all out in its fight to dislodge Mamata from power.
বাংলায় 294টা সিট 8টা ফেজে ইলেকশন কেন? কাকে সুবিধা করে দেওয়ার জন্য? একটু তো রেশনাল থাকবে ইলেকশন কমিশন। We want election commission will have a highest regards. Now, like election commission, the important body, if they don't give justice to the state and the people, then where the people will go?
लक्ष्य हमारा 200 सीट का है। हम 2/3 बहुमत से जीत का सरकार बनाएंगे और ये 8 चरणों से होना बहुत अच्छा है, जिससे कि असामाजिक तत्वों को रोका जा सकेगा, सेंट्रल फोर्स ठीक तरीके से डिप्लॉयड हो सके। इसके लिए बहुत जरूरी था कि स्पान थोड़ा बड़ा हो, और मैं समझता हूँ चुनाव आयोग ने सही निर्णय लिया।
In this poll season, both the BJP and the TMC have expressed concerns over poll violence. The poll panel chief made it clear that central forces will be deployed in all polling booths.
All critical vulnerable polling stations have already been identified, and adequate numbers of CAPF will be deployed in such critical booths. Advanced teams are already deployed in these states and UTs. One day a news item came that some advanced teams have been sent only to West Bengal. Then we released a press release that they were in fact sent on the very day to all the 5 states.
Besides Bengal, it is the northeastern state of Assam which will witness a 3-phase battle. The BJP under Sarbananda Sonowal is seeking a second term in office. However, the Congress AIUDF is banking on the anti-CAA protests. Polling in Assam will be held on March 27th, April 1st and the April 6th. But the electrifying battle is not just confined to the east. In the south, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry will all vote in a single phase on April 6th. The counting date of all states and Puducherry will take place on May 2nd.
We were ready for April. We only didn't know the date. Now that we know it, we are enthused and we will hit the ground running.
The obvious objective is to defeat the BJP. How it will be done varies from state to state. And there people are not confused. Media is trying its best to confuse the people, but they are not confused.
The election to the 5 states is being fought tooth and nail in a prestige war of sorts. As the BJP looks to expand its reach, will the opposition hold fort? The results have the ability to act as a morale booster for the Saffron Party that will be looking at the most crucial elections in the year 2022, the state of Uttar Pradesh. With video journalist Kripal Singh, this is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.